Hello, hello. Let's get started today. How is everyone doing? I took a loss today. I'm down about, let me think. I'm down about 1600 on the day. So, tough day, but it is what it is. Yeah, I think everyone might have had a bad day today. I took this 1 minute. I thought it was pretty good, and yeah, I just couldn't make it happen. How much per account? 200. Yeah, I thought this was like okay, pretty good break even, kind of that liquidity after the fact, but nah, nope, that was a loss. So I think now all we want is previous day low on NQ, kind of a bearish trend day scenario, eyeballing this 15-minute inverse that just triggered here. I think this will probably take us down to previous day. So if you want to gamble that, it's about 50 points, take profit at about 30-point stop loss, maybe. But yeah, we'll see if this one ends up taking us down there. But yeah, outside of the trading morning being kind of whack, how was your guys' weekend? Boring but good. Nothing too crazy. Just clean the backyard up for sure. Okay, decent. Mine was fine. Just did some Christmas shopping stuff and was finalizing some stuff for the business and I don't know. That's about it. 3-day bender. Nice, nice. What up, lobster? Feeling better? Oh, I mean, yeah, we were feeling good coming into the weekend already. I think we got a really nice trade on I think Thursday. Do I want to take a 30-second short to previous day low? I'm kind of looking at this 15-minute gap. If we can just get a confirmation set up off this, I think that'll take us down to previous day. What's the outlook for this session? I think the outlook for this session is to target previous day low and my condition was going to be this 15-minute gap, which we already inversed, so I'm already of the mindset that that's where we're headed for this session. I'm actually I'm trying this on eval, the 15-minute inverse. So if we get a confirmation set up off this, I think that could be a decent play. Obviously, it's in discount, but the funded play here will definitely be a long off previous day low. But yeah, I think this works. This is a lot of momentum down, obviously. Um, break even here. I don't think it's too bad, right? Yeah, it's just this low here, so should be able to get the break even and then hopefully lower. You need to play the full port of your Lucids. Maybe the long after would be good, Harvey. For now, though, while we're waiting for this to play out, I'm going to just do the Wordle real quick. Get that out of the way. I don't know why. I'm feeling brand. Okay, not brand. Maybe like craft. Okay. I don't know. But yeah, this is the idea for the short. So about to get to break even. All right, I'm gonna go stop to break even there. Let's just see if we can get down to 579 here. Track, not track. There's no T. But yeah, I don't think I'm gonna scale any at this low, even though it's 1R. I think I'd rather just hold out for previous day here. Is anybody else in this? This is an A plus setup, technically, mechanically. Took it on ES eval. Okay. Yeah, keep an eye on here for the SMTs. I think we should just be good. This is a lot of momentum. If we get break even, you know, so be it. Not much we can do, but it's a good attempt. One mini on singular funded. Oh wow, yeah, that could go crazy. If we can get down to that low. I don't know if you guys noticed this with the indicator, but it now tells you how much profit you'll make off of a single mini contract if you take a position, which is pretty cool. Okay, so it looks like this will just be a break-even trade, maybe. Maybe not, not yet. Makes sense. Like, this should be a break-even trade. We've left a lot of inefficiencies behind that need to be rebalanced. Probably going to come back for this 5-minute, which will cause the break-even. Yo.
Yo,
Took this.
what's up, bro?
About to get break-even. See the vision?
Dude, did you see the long I took?
I saw. Yeah, that's tough.
Dude, I don't know how it failed.
I took the 1 minute at 11 and lost on that. Like 10:57, whatever it was.
Uh,
All right,
it's whatever.
got break even on that there. Let's see if Price is going to tag this 5-minute and just come back down. We could see a confirmation setup. No SMT at the low there.
Dude, Shadir was just named the starter for the rest of the season.
Shadur. Interesting.
Yeah. Funny.
That whole team is a mess.
I know.
That Bills game this weekend was pretty crazy.
Well, I know. I don't know what's happening. Yo, why did my long fail? What do you think?
Time. Just outside the kill zone.
Oh, you're one of the classic. Oh yeah, fell because of time, people.
Maybe
All right, I see how it is.
maybe previous day low below, so we still at sell side.
All right, buddy.
1 minute confirmation. Yeah, we could see this. Delivery out of the 5-minute. No reason to get married to this low though. We do have an SMT a previous day. Just kind of figured, based off of what I'm seeing with the 15 here, it makes sense now to come down. Is this funded? This was an eval trade. It just got break even. Maybe 50%. It's the next spot to look for here. Maybe we use the high. Yeah, 649 maybe.
What about this long if we got it?
The long up on the 5-minute here.
Yeah.
I don't think I would take it because the 15-minute here is holding, and we didn't sweep the low.
I'm gonna hit you with a classic.
Okay,
True.
true. Y'all should play truth or dare.
All right, dare. I dare you to long right now, underfunded and live account, and risk 10K. If you lose, I win the game. Or if you don't do it, I win the game.
All right, you win. I just got
Let's
this one.
go, dude. I'm so good at that game, bro. I'm like the best truth or dare player ever.
Yeah, I don't know how you lose.
Did you take a loss today or no?
Yeah, I took the loss at 10:57.
Which one? Wait. Oh yeah. Yeah, I was logged out for that. I wasn't logging back into lunch.
I was like, all right, 42-point pump. Wait, this confirmation setup though. Wait a minute. Take us down to previous day. Didn't hit 50 though.
Play kiss kill. Play kiss kill. Fuck, bro. We were in the airport. It was the next day when we got to Alaska, and literally out of straight nowhere, out of straight left field, Payne goes, "Yo, kiss kill fuck." And she goes, "Charlotte," and then she goes, "Alora," and then she goes, "Another girl that I hung out with."
Wow.
Just out of nowhere.
Wow.
I'm like, what? I'm like, what? I'm like, Payne, what? I'm not answering that. She's like, okay, then I'm not talking to you. I'm like, what the hell? No, Charlotte's 21. I was like, what the hell, Payne? She's like secretly obsessed with me, dude. Yo, this looks good.
Yeah. Okay, it looks decent. We just didn't hit 50. I feel like she kind of looks at you as like the plan B.
Yeah, I know, dude.
Like if all else fails,
Yes.
good old Ryan will be there. Did the 2-minute close? Yes, it did. Okay, so 2-minute triggers there. 1 minute still holding. 30-second still holding. I feel like when we're this low in discount without hitting 50, you want every time frame to close below. All right, let's see the total for premium. Oh, I missed it. Well, there you go. Okay. Let's get back to this, I guess. Oh wait, actually, this is about to trigger. Anybody jump in off the 2? Wait,
I guess out the slave. Oh wait, no, that wouldn't be possible.
Slave.
Wait. Brave.
Can't be brave. No B. Wait, we gotta lock in though. I think the setup just
All
triggered.
right, there's the entry.
Yeah. All right, let's see. Oh goodness. Confirmation setup and pure discount. Delivering off the 5-minute, no 50% tap. Previous day low below. Break even at the low.
Yo, look at how much my gas was.
82.67. Nice.
I always do that on purpose. Every single time.
Hmm.
Dude, this looks so good. All right. Well, good luck.
All right, man. Thanks. How many of you guys are in this on email? Interesting. I don't know how I feel about this one. Waiting for 30 seconds. Oh, 30 seconds still isn't close below. Interesting. Yeah, we watched a setup fail earlier today because not all the time frames close below. This one's in discount, so I can understand waiting for the 30-second here. We aren't worried about the woman at VI. We closed below it, so it should be good. 30-second confirmation setup off the confirmation setup. Anytime we get a 30-second gap like this while we're in a trade, like, it's really difficult to feel confident in the trade after the fact because, you know, now you have to break through a bullish 30-second gap on top of the inverse, and yeah, it's just probably going to lose. Probably also loses because we just put in a 15-minute gap and now we need 50% as well of the whole range. Right? Something like that. CE of the 15-minute BPR kind of lines up nicely there as well. So got to be a really gross rejection here from this gap. Got to inverse this 30-second. If that happens, I'll be very confident in this position. Very, very confident. Got the macro coming up in 4 minutes here. Didn't it just hit your stop? No, Lobster, no. The stop's always going to be a close above, right? So we have this inception gap here that you have to include in your stop loss, and as long as that's holding, it's technically still valid. The stop loss is the high here, right? Like the hard stop. Right now, it's just a manual stop above. Still respecting this gap here for the time being. It's got to be the 1 minute though. But yeah, just really messy price action today coming down towards that previous day low level. Am I in a Neva play? No, I skipped out on this one. I didn't say I was getting in, so I'm just kind of watching it. I'm going to watch this 15-minute right now, though. Still holding. 2 minutes till the macro. Are we in this? No, I'm not in this. This is just an eval play. I tried taking the initial 15-minute inverse, but I got break evened. And now I'm just kind of watching this. What up, Yuki? What state do I live in? Michigan. But yeah, we're just kind of trapped right now between this lower 30-second and this upper 1 minute. I'm guessing whichever breaks is where price is going to go. That's why this will be the stop out, and this will be obviously good for the trade. Yeah, for sure, Samuk. I mean, if you can't get there with the trades because you're suffering illness, then yeah, you should probably take it off. That makes sense. Besides, today's not really an amazing day. It'd only be really good if we get like a nice long off previous day low. All right, let's see. Here comes the macro. Because we're breaking that 30-second, that first internal 30-second, that should take us to that low, which will then inverse that external 30-second, ideally. So yeah, let's just see what happens. Yeah, still really sideways here. No clear direction yet. Do I make bank from the affiliate codes? Not really. I was doing really well with MFFU, I'm not gonna lie. That was a nice chunk of income, but I wouldn't say really well. Oh, more than 50 bucks a month? Yes, I make more than 50 a month off of the Lucid code. Yeah. It's not an insignificant amount, Tommy. Like there's a considerable amount of people that use the code, but um I don't know. What up, Jason? Thank you, Lobster. I appreciate it. If I was in this on like a funded, I would be concerned about this trade. Like I would probably have wanted to see it move down at this point, and the momentum is pretty bad. If I was in on eval, I would just obviously send it, but funded, this is where like things would get kind of dicey. You got off without taking anything? Nice. Yeah, I took a loss, so it was just at 10:57. I probably should have just gotten off. Yeah, I'm down about 1,600 on the day. Here it goes. Okay, bet. This is what you want to see. Hopefully, we just knife through that last low there and close through that 30-second. There you go. Dang, so that's annoying. Going break even there. Oh, so that was probably what, an instant break even then? Or something. I don't think I would have gone break even there. I'd still be waiting for PM low to get hit before going to break even, but I mean that's a good sign. We didn't get the close through the low though, so hopefully maybe this next candle will give it to you. We have time. Please give your strategy for Lucid. Yeah, Murmar. All I do is I risk a mini per trade. I try and target 25 points, and I leave the stop loss wherever it is with a hard cap at 25 points. So, worst case scenario, I'm going for a 1-to-1 on my eval. Best case scenario, it's obviously going to be whatever the stop loss is. And then I try and do that once per session. And I should be able to get that done over 6 sessions. So getting the accounts passed within a week. The reason why I don't full port is simply because those accounts are somewhat expensive, and yeah, I kind of treat them more seriously. I just take full profit at 25 points, and that's it. So like on this trade here, if I was in this on eval, I would just take full profit at like, I don't know, 93 or something. Oh, on funded, my funded strategy is just I segment my accounts and rotate. And, once I take a winning trade on one, I'll usually be done for the session. If I take a loss, I'll switch to another account. If I take 2 losses, I'll be done. That's about it. So your break even's about to hit here. Might have an SMT with ES at that low. Should be good to go though. Yeah, there's the low. So that's your break even now. And there's your take profit. Excellent. It's a good one there. You could hold for previous day. That's still intact, obviously, but maybe we'll get a nice long from here. So we've got one more TP in the works. Come on, previous day. Just hit. Make it nice and easy. Funded for this? No, this was an eval play. Just low in the range. Not my favorite draw, but I figured it would work. Oh, yeah, the funded play, if we get it off previous day low. Yeah, that would be good. So what made me take this? Yeah, just the 15-minute inverse coming off of the high being swept here inside the gap. This 15-minute gap being respected here, and the fact that we still had previous day low below that sell side. So yeah, that was kind of the idea. And then obviously, waiting to go break even at this low here because we broke this fair value gap, and then obviously just waiting on the 1 minute here to break to the upside for this setup to fail. It never did. We respected it, and so obviously it just worked. Even though we didn't go to 50%, yeah, it's fine. It's just an eval play. You don't need a 50% retrace for an eval play. Yeah, it only means you can request 25%. Or I mean, not 25%. It only means you can make 25% of your total profit in a single day. What's up?
Let's go. Who took that? I told you that was a freaking banger, bro.
Shit printed.
Let's go. Who thought I took that? Type one if you think I took that. Good job. I was in the car. How the hell am I supposed to take that? I'm not logging into my live.
What do you think about this 30-second V shape here?
Dude, I don't care. That short just printed. I'd be done for the day now. I mean, it was a banger short, bro.
For sure.
I bet you those wicks. Bet you those wicks scared you, huh?
No,
A little bit.
no,
Damn.
because it was just an eval trade.
Bro, that was an eval trade.
Yeah, we're
Bro,
what is it? We're 30 points from the low a day. I'd rather take the long here unfunded, which is exactly what I'm gonna do actually.
dude, the eval trade's gonna work and the fund is gonna lose.
You think?
Yeah.
I don't think so, man. I think this is pretty A plus. I don't know.
Wait. Oh my god. Wait. The 30-second. Oh my god. I'm
Yes.
taking this.
Okay.
I'm taking this.
Okay. All right.
No, I'm being for real. All right, I'm in here, guys. All right, order fill. Let's go. Dude, if this loses, I'm blaming you, bro. Dude, no way I just literally bought and then we just freaking dumped.
We have the 15-minute intact at least, so that's good.
Bro, no way just longed and we just instantly dumped.
Let's see. Yeah, no, we should be good
There's
to that first
no
high there for the
way
break
this doesn't
even.
work, right?
Yeah, I mean, I feel pretty confident about this one. But
Dude, are you serious?
I just don't know what more we could want on the day as far as sell side goes before getting that clean reversal.
Dude, ain't no way this fails. Mm.
All right.
Let's go. All right, bye. There's no way this fails. There's no way. No way, bro.
Yeah, I don't know. I think it looks pretty clean.
Hit my damn break even, please.
Tapping into a 2-minute. Uh-oh.
All right, I'm going break even here.
Okay. I'm
I just
not.
want break even.
I'm not going break even.
I want break even, bro.
Okay. Am I in?
I don't
Yeah,
even know
I'm in this.
Where do I target?
PM high.
Dude, there's like no good draw on liquidity right now.
PM high.
I'm gonna target
15-minute.
634.
Okay.
And it's gonna stop break even. Let's go. All right, well, that was a break even trade for me, guys. I hope that break even's with me.
It looks like it's gonna. That's a pretty bearish reaction from the 2-minute.
Dude, there's no way it wasn't going to break even, bro. We just put in a freaking order block. Like, I would have, if I don't know, I just don't want to be in a trade that just stalls here.
I entered on the close, so my fill was not as good as yours, and so I ended up. I mean, I just figured, why go break even when this is only like 4 points in profit?
Yeah.
I'll just wait.
Well, I want break even because we tapped them the 2-minute too. So
yeah, no, I got you. I just don't know what more sell side we'd want here. If we're getting a retracement.
Yeah, who's in this still? Damn, you guys didn't go break even like I did? Y'all are cooked. I'm telling you, bro, that would have rocketed up if that was going to reverse. I'm telling you. I've been trading far too long.
Well, looks like it's going to be
and boom. Let's freaking go, bro.
Wait. We're still
Let's
good.
go.
We're still good.
Nah, this is cooked. Dude, I literally knew to go break even there, bro. Like, I'm telling you, bro. I've been trading for 6 years. Ain't no way we would have rejected that wick if I was right. Like no way, bro. Let's freaking go. I'm so good at trading. I'm literally the best trader alive. Uh, like tapped into a 2 minute.
Wait, wait. It's not over yet. It's not over yet. Give it a chance. Give it a
Dude,
chance.
you're gonna get cooked, bro. There's no way. You're gonna get cooked, bro. There's no way. Mm,
That was a pretty crazy save. We had three seconds on the candle close. Aw. Aw.
mm.
Don't do it.
Dude, why would you retrace this far down? If dude, honestly, if this ends up working now, that's just bad price action. Like, if price action starts doing this the next couple days, I'm logging on my live account. Ain't no way I'm trading price action that inverses a gap and then goes all the way to the bottom, then goes up again. Or inverses a gap, hits a low, then goes up again. Like that's price action that's horrible. All right, guys, I'm not gonna lie. If we get this 1 minute, I'm entering again.
I can't, dude.
Only if we get the 1 minute.
I'm dead.
Bro, look at the 1 minute. Is this
I
not a
saw
banger?
it. I saw it.
What do you guys think? I think this is a good play. 1 minute.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
I mean, I got stopped break even. I didn't take a loss, and if we get this 1 minute, I'll try it one more time.
Sure.
Let's see, dude, this could be a 1 hour play too.
Well,
It could be a 1 hour play up to the 1 minute gap.
no 1 minute yet. What's the draw on
You know,
liquidity for the long? I was
there's
looking
no.
at this 15-minute unfilled gap here, like 50%.
I think the draw on liquidity here is shit. That's what I think.
Interesting.
There's like no good draw on liquidity, and I don't like just using imbalances that are just literally just imbalances.
Lines up with PMI too.
Yeah. All right. I'm not in yet.
It didn't close.
Yeah. Mm,
Dude, if this just emotionally baits me into thinking that we have a chance just to come back down and like that would be horrible. I don't know why they would do that to us. That would just be mean.
it's just December price action, bro. It's gonna start getting like this. This is how it was 2 years ago. Dude, I 2 years ago, bro, I got stopped like 4 times. Literally stopped the inversion out and then went back up like 50 times. I'm like, dude, I like, absolutely cooked.
I back tested December 2024 on stream when price action was
December
so rough.
2024 wasn't bad. December 2023 was bad.
Yeah.
But dude, are we gonna get this woman or not? Dude, what that
That
close?
close a doji again.
What was that?
Bro, I'm gonna go play Wordle. Y'all got that. Let's see.
All right, I'm entering light size here. Light size. Okay.
Gramp? I like Gramp. Ooh. It wasn't Gramp. Okay. All right. Just waiting, just waiting.
All right, here's the actual entry. All right, let's go. Let's go.
Almost to the 5 minute there.
Oh my god, what was that close?
Uh-oh. We have an SMT at
Dude,
the high. No.
what was that
We have an
close,
SMT.
bro?
We have an SMT. That has to break.
This is absolutely cooked.
There's no way this SMT doesn't break. This is horrible. Why would this
I'm
SMT
fully,
hold?
dude, I'm fully in here, just so you guys know. Dude, what is this price action, bro?
No,
Please
we're
just
cooking.
pump.
We're cooking. Oh, and my headphones just died. Lovely.
Nice. I'm going break even at 597.
All right. I don't know what happened to the long position tool.
Dude, has anyone noticed like every single long has just like gotten no momentum today? Like, you know how like sometimes like we get those like really fast ass candles in live time that you can't tell in hindsight they're fast? We've gotten zero of those candles today. Has anyone noticed that? It's like those like Delta flip candles, bro. Like I swear not a single long today has like been one of those candles.
Yeah, it's been tough on longs today.
Like it looked like we'll get a green candle, but it's not a fast green candle. Do you know what I mean?
Yeah,
And that's why reversal's failing, bro. I'm telling you.
I believe. Unfilled 5 minute. Come on. It's not that difficult. Is there not liquidity at 552.25?
Dude,
I
I think the
am.
draw on liquidity is just shit here. Like, there's no engineered liquidity, bro. It's just like PM high. That's literally it.
Yeah.
And
We
we're
do
not
have
even like delivering for anything.
we do have liquidity down there, El Doggo, but the more important there liquidity is previously low, and as long as we hold this 15 minute, I don't think we're gonna go for that low.
I guess. Bro, can we get like a convincing candle here, please?
Bro, there's no momentum. There was. Now we're just holding through the chop, and then the macro just ended, so that's unfortunate.
Bro, this is gonna be a loser, bro. There's no way. This is horrible PA. Like, there's just no way, right?
Yeah, it doesn't look great. I think we should have at least came up and hit that high, getting the SMT there
It's
isn't
just bad
helping.
PA, bro. I'm telling you. Dude, here's the thing, bro. Like, I had this rule where like I look at my past winning trades and 9 out of 10 of my winning trades pump or dump very, very quickly. And if they don't pump or dump within like 5 minutes, most of the time they end up losing or I just get stopped break even. And like, dude, I just like get out of those trades very quick because of that, bro. You know?
True.
Like I'm telling you, dude, like if you look at your past winning trades, most winning trades always work so quickly. They don't do this bullshit, you know? And that's how I go break even like on the 201 candle because I know for a fact like we're gonna get another trade looks exactly like this where I'm gonna go break even the same time and the next time we're just gonna pump straight up because I'm right.
Yeah.
And like I think about that all the time, bro.
It's the draw to the downside. I mean, we still have like sell side below, but I think we need the 15 to the left to break first before we're
I think we're
competitive.
going to 5-5. We're going to 5-5-1, bro. What's this fails? We're going to 5-5-1.
And there is the fail. So I'm out there, lost $100 on it. So now I'm down $2,400 on the day. So I'm gonna.
I'm still in. We didn't close below the volume balance.
That's fair. That's fair.
Mhm. Come on, bro. Please hold. We're forming trend line liquidity now. See it? The three highs.
Yeah. Yeah.
It's probably gonna stop out, but I could get lucky here. Dude, I'm cooked on these Apex accounts, bro. I'm down 260 per account now. I low key like, bro. I low key could end up blowing these Apex accounts in the next, in like this month. Like the price action is gonna be so bad, and I'm gonna take all the bads. I'm gonna take all the setups in my Apexes.
No, I don't have that
Mm.
mindset. You'll be fine. That'll be a good banger
So we'll
trade.
see. We just need, dude. The thing is, bro, I missed a couple of the trades in Alaska that would have been like my like cushion for the month. And now I have none of those trades in my belt under on Apex. So I couldn't trade Apex in Alaska because there's just like too much to set up. I only traded my personal account. So now I'm going to be trading the worst price action of the month the next few weeks on my Apexes. And I'm not going to have the wins from last week to offset those. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, that makes sense.
So it's it's kind of cooked though. I was in Alaska when we got all the absolute banger setups. Was I bullied in high school? Yeah, bro. Mm, yeah, I'm in Longs right now. I didn't stop out because that volume imbalance held. Dude, this is so cooked, bro. We've not gotten one single giant momentum candle yet.
Yeah, Speedy, I'm done for the day now. I mean, I've taken 2 losses today. I'm not gonna push it. Obviously, Price doesn't really want to give us the big move up here, so I'm okay with that. Just keeping my losses limited. I'll be down 300 on the day per account. That's fine. I haven't had
Hey,
a
I'm
big
not down.
losing day like this in a minute, so it's fine.
I'm down 260. I'll probably be down 300 if this fails, but we'll see.
Yeah.
You're a big loud truck guy? Hell no, I hate trucks. Everyone with a truck is a small PP.
Oh wow,
What?
interesting.
Mm. The bigger the truck, the smaller the wiener. Let's go. Let's go. Please pump here. This is the candle we need. All right. Dude, if we can take out this little 1 minute high from 210, there's no way it doesn't domino up. Right?
You know, Trump speaks in 15 minutes. Sorry, just joined. No, he does not. Don't say that. Trump participates in roundtable. Interesting. Okay, well, I guess he does speak.
That's perfect.
15-minute close, and now we're pumping. Oh yeah, it did.
So I want to point out something. So you know how we got that big 30-second candle right there? Was
Uh-huh.
that like a fast live time candle?
Eh.
It had that jump in it.
Honestly, I'm watching that stuff on Tradeovate, and I didn't really get like
It
the
didn't. It
twitchiness.
didn't.
Yeah.
Yeah, it didn't. That's what's been happening all day. We'll get these candles and they look big, but like, dude, you know how like at open, like, sometimes at 9:30 or like 10, we'll get that like jump inverse.
Mm,
Like those are the ones that like bang.
yeah.
And we just haven't gotten that to the long side today. Only the short side.
Yeah, yeah.
Draw the trend line in the 30-second.
I already have it.
Yeah, it's like being hella respected right now.
Kind of. It looks better on
There's no way
executed.
this doesn't. Yeah, there's no way this doesn't break, right?
We'll see. I don't know. That would be kind of weird to just drop without at least coming back for this 5 minute. I like how price is kind of holding previous day low on the 5 minute here. We've kind of just wicked. We haven't really closed through it.
Yeah. Okay, that candle jumped a little bit. Okay, there we go. Let's freaking go. All right, I'm going break even here. I'm going break even. Once we tap this 1 minute, dude, like I don't know what's gonna happen, but if we get a badass reaction to that, I'm getting out. I'm not gonna lie.
True.
I knew that volume imbalance was gonna freaking hold, bro. It was like another 1 point. So I was like, why would I cut if there's a volume imbalance and there's only 1 point more? All right, let's see what happens here. Dude, Loki, like I feel like if the 156 gap inverses, I could average up.
Like the 5 minute here.
Yeah,
Yeah.
we'll see. Mm, mm, mm. Or I'm just gonna get stop break even here. Let's see. Okay, never mind. Almost tickled my stop loss. are we dancers? Turn aside is vital.
So there would have been my break even. And I think I would have been break even on it anyway.
Dude, what is happening, bro? Why is this 2 minute not hitting or this 1 minute gap?
Well, I guess in the 5 minute inverses, this will be another potential trade opportunity. But
All right, let's go. There's first EP. I'm on my knees. Okay, now we need to inverse this 1 minute or else this is cooked. And 15 minute and 3 minute and 4 minute and 5 minute and 30 second and 15 second. Oh God.
yeah, everything.
Which means if we do inverse it, then I'm probably good. Let's see. Let's see. My sign is vital. And I'm on my knees looking for answer. Okay, let's go.
On a bearish day with an 100-point move up, it happened already an hour ago. What do you mean? Oh, you mean like from the low here? Yeah, this one. I got you. Yeah, I think PM or previous day low was the key. I think we had the right idea. It's just really sloppy delivery, obviously. We've already kind of touched on that. All right, so we have the next 5 minute close here in 3.5 minutes. I mean, this setup obviously doesn't have the momentum, so the best I could rate it as like an A setup. And we inverse that 15 minute to the downside. Now, if there's like a 30 minute, I guess that's holding. Oh,
Yeah,
that one
this
broke.
reaction is absolutely cooked. This reaction is freaking cooked. Oh my God. Yo, how'd my hair look on stream this morning, guys? I put like some gorilla thing in it. I need to grow it out more. I need to cover my hairline. Like gorilla clay or something. I don't know. My barber recommended it.
Dude, I really got stopped out by a tick. That's crazy.
Yeah, I mean, I ain't no way I'm stopping out when we held the volume and balance. That's like literally another point. Like I'd rather like take another. I'd rather lose another point in a trade than stop out there.
True.
Mm. Watch the 2 minute here. If this closes above this 2 minute, we could blast up. Lumen Pomade? I don't know what that is. I used to use that really hard gel. It was like yellow bottle. It was like French or something or Turkish or like it was you guys know what I'm talking about. But that really worked. But it was like almost too hardcore. No, it was I think it started I think it was Schwarzkopf, I'm pretty sure, or something. Had like a O with the two dots on top inside the name. All right, yeah, this is probably gonna be cooked, guys. I'm not gonna lie. Not a good reaction whatsoever. 2 minute couldn't close above either, so oh well. Probably gonna be break even trade.
You think the Lions make the playoffs?
Uh, I think so.
Okay. Do I care about that 30-second? No, Swig. But I do care about the momentum here, and it's just not there.
Maybe confirmation 1 minute here. Or it's just gonna come to my break even. That's good too. Let's go.
See, Texans beat KC yesterday. That is kind of surprising.
Yeah, I'm so happy, bro.
They probably don't make the playoffs now. Did you make it to the
The
playoffs of your
Chiefs?
fantasy league?
Wait, the Chiefs?
Yeah, the Chiefs don't make the playoffs.
Bro, what do you mean? The rest of their schedule is easy as hell.
What is that?
Can you
AFC
get the
West
homie? Why
playoff?
the hell would I give you the homies tag? Mm, mm. Does momentum on higher time frame just trump smaller gaps? Yes.
The Colts have an 8-5 record, so they'll. I mean, they're not same division, but
All right. Well, we have a potential 1 minute here.
yeah, I mean, yeah, the Chiefs need 2 wins. Their playoff probability is 15%. I don't think they make it. Even the Chargers are 8-4 right now. No, the Chiefs aren't going to make it.
I don't know, man.
15%. It's pretty low.
Chiefs always find a way. They'll probably win the Super Bowl somehow.
I guess. How about 49ers? Um 49ers are in right now at 9-4. If they win out, or not win out, if they win like 2 more games, they'll be in. I think.
Is CMC still playing right now?
Yeah.
How's he doing?
Good, really good. He's the best running back in the league right now.
Yeah, I haven't really looked.
I
Better
mean,
than Bijan?
oh, way better than Bijan. Bijan's arguably not even top 3. I would probably go like,
Jameer Gibbs?
I mean, Jameer Gibbs is probably the best if we're being honest, but I'd go him and then CMC and then like Jonathan Taylor, I guess, and then Bijan.
Yeah.
Yeah. How's PM going? Well, we took a win on eval and a loss on funded, so not great, but it's okay. It is what it is.
Or you're still into this unfunded because you didn't cut your trade because the 30-second volume imbalance held.
Yes. If you keep track of 30-second volume imbalances, you could still be in the trade. Any good draw? I was just looking at PMI here. It lines up with an unfilled 15-minute BPR. I thought it would be a decent place to look for. Just coming off a previous day low.
Are you watching this 1 minute?
Yep. Yeah, I'm done for the day, guys. So I mean, I'll just be tape reading trades. But yeah, if you're in this long, obviously you want to see this 1 minute get inversed.
Mm,
It's a tape.
the inverse? Nope.
It's a tape.
Okay, if we inverse this 1 minute and we put in a CISD here with the 223 candle and we inverse the 2 minute, dude, jet fuel into 634. Right?
Yeah.
It'd also be 2 minute order block, 2 minute order block, and it'll be a 3 minute order block. Start a little buy model. Dude, dude, imagine if you shorted this 1 minute fair value gap here. Like, who even does, like, bro, if someone did that and this short worked, like, bro, Who even does that? Like, there are people short of this woman a gap right now. And like, imagine this play works and they shorted that gap. Like, that's just crazy that works.
Let me analyze.
Like, I can't stand those little tiny gaps working, especially way down in discount, and people actually short this shit. Like, I can't comprehend my mind around that. Because like obviously bearish for red guys supposed to respect. And like it's just I just can't comprehend that.
I got bad news, man. This is a banger 2022 model.
Dude, I don't know, man. We're way down the discount. We need a retracement. Dude, oh my god, look at the 5-minute too. We can get
Yeah.
an order block.
Yeah. 5-minute order block plus the inverse.
Dude,
15 seconds.
wait. Wait, let's see. Let's see. Jump up, jump up, jump up, jump up. So close. So close. No.
Nope.
Oh. Well, no 15, no 5-minute order block.
You love hearing dodgy during PM? Me too, man. It's been too long.
And I didn't really join PM last week, right?
Yeah. I mean, that makes sense. You were like in a different time zone.
Yeah.
Wordle? Yeah, I don't
Who
know.
missed me? Type 1.
Gravy, maybe?
Oh, we got some twos.
There we
Damn.
go. Okay.
Hey, good job. You finally got it.
You want to know something funny? That's my cat's
What?
name.
Gravy?
Yeah.
Can I eat your cat?
What?
I'm trying to eat some gravy. Does anyone ever have the problem where like the download quota is exceeded on Google Drive?
No.
I keep getting that issue.
No, I've had 502 bad gateway error all day from Lucid, though. Lucid's been down.
Really? Dude, why is this tiny ass 1 minute respecting? Because we're homies, bro. I don't know who you. I mean, I've seen you around, but I don't really know you. Mm, 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 mm.
Close enough, all right.
Oh my god, what is this dude? How is this little tiny little ass 4-point gap respecting perfectly? I hate ICT, dude. Why does ICT exist? Tell them to delete the 2022 microchip.
Delete the whole YouTube channel.
Oh my god, bro.
You think so, Ami Nobody? Or Omni Nobody?
What do you say?
He says, when this goes up, it'll go up so fast there will not be an entry. Well, there already was an entry, but yeah, maybe it'll invalidate the 5-minute before you can get a valid entry there.
Isn't Trump talking?
Supposedly, yeah. Maybe. Let's see what this is about.
As well as Representative Austin Scott.
Dude, he's looking
I'm
old, man.
delighted to announce this afternoon that the United States will be taking a small portion of the hundreds of billions of dollars we receive in tariffs. We are making a lot of money from countries that took advantage of us for years. They took advantage of us like nobody's ever seen. Our deficits are way down because of tariffs.
Yo, look at the 3 minute. What do you notice?
I don't know. Singular. It's kind of like that setup from yesterday, or not yesterday, but on the higher time frame. How like we had like a bunch of-
Exactly.
Yeah.
Exactly.
Okay. What we thinking? Well, yeah, the 5 minute could inverse here in 10 seconds. Be a good sign for longs. And no inverse. Maybe the 3 minute
On what?
on the 5. But we get the order block. I don't know, man. I think this goes up. There's just no way after we tap previous day low, we don't get a retracement on the higher time frame. Right? Like it may like 50% here just makes sense. Run lunch highs or something.
I'm on money looking for answers.
Dude, we got stopped out by one tick, guys, and price never came. Well, actually, we would have been break even.
Who's we? Who is we?
Me and everyone that followed my my stop out.
Who followed my stop out?
Yeah, 3 minutes gonna close above you. There is the close.
Did anyone follow my stop out? Just out of curiosity. Hey, let's go. Yo, Tom, you're the GOAT. Actual GOAT Tom. All right. Well, I'm trailing my stop here. Honestly, if we break the 1 minute gap from 233, I'm getting out.
Okay.
Yeah, I took some off too. Me takey offy. Should I prank AM stream tomorrow and talk like a baby the whole time?
Yeah, dude, I'm sure they'll appreciate it. You just got back from a week-long vacation, and then we got no trades to do forward.
Me anti tradey. Me likey a plussy.
Okay.
Pushing 30.
23 does not count. You got to be 25.
Pushing 30. Yo, pushing 30. What? Hell no. I'm still a child. What do you mean? Show how much you're risking instead of profit?
Dude, this would have been a crazy RR too. What the hell, man? Oh well.
I know, I'm still in. It's about a 4.5 R for me. Did we inverse the 5 minute yet? No, we didn't.
No, we gotta wait 2 more minutes.
Did we inverse the 15 minute? 15
No.
minute. No, not yet.
Ooh, that's a bad candle.
I know. And I'm on my knees.
What's the difference between yours and TJ's indicator?
Pretty much nothing. He just has a bunch of added bullshit. Like just random ICT concepts.
The difference between Dodgies and PJs is Dodgies is like buying the iPhone. All right, it's gonna be sleeker.
And PJ's is like, yeah, exactly.
Yeah. You want the iPhone or you want the Android? I don't know.
I think we want the iPhone, right?
I think so. Works better with the Dodgy ecosystem.
All right, 37 seconds to the 5-minute close.
Let's see. Uh-oh. Doesn't look like the close is gonna happen.
No, it is not. Great. What about the 15-minute close?
Yeah, we still got 5 on that. 15-minute might close above. Still too much time.
I guess it looks like the market doesn't care what Trump's saying.
Yeah, I don't think he's talking about anything important.
For children, you don't have to pay state tax.
Farm aid, $12 billion only. That's not impacting the market.
What you talking about?
Farm aid, like aid for farmers that have been impacted by tariffs, I think.
No.
So interesting. Okay.
Yeah, if this 15-minute doesn't close above, this is dumping again. I'm not gonna lie, guys. Completely just shot the hell down. Are we human?
Isn't this an A short? No, because the draw on liquidity isn't very good. You're targeting like sell side that's already been swept. How do you get indicator to show the profit potential? You have to update it to the latest version and then turn on the setting. Shows profit, but will it show loss? I don't think so, but that would be a good addition as well. Yeah, that's fair, Scotty. Why is there no age cap on Congress? Because people used to just retire, like at a normal age. And there wasn't a need for one. Now people don't do that.
I'm on my knees. All right, 1 more minute. So maybe the 15-minute close.
The age caps on Congress are supposed to be like imposed by the citizens. Like we elect officials and we choose whether or not we want to vote for somebody that old. But obviously, I guess we're not as smart as we thought we were. It's a good candle there. Maybe we'll end up closing over the 5-minute too. Need 612. Any of you guys watch?
Oh my god, bro, this is cooked.
Did you watch the new season of Stranger Things?
Dude, if this 15 minutes doesn't close above, bro.
Oh my gosh! Wait, actually, it might not.
This is freaking cooked.
No,
if
it
this
got
doesn't
it.
close
It got
above.
it. It got it.
Oh, okay, there you go.
Another 5 minutes.
Well,
45.
15-minute close above. 4-minute close above. 3-minute, 2-minute. Yeah, only thing that's gonna close above is the 5-minute. So, yeah, man. Hey, Bucko.
What would I look for here if I'm looking to take confirmation? Honestly, nothing.
Yeah, nothing right now, dude. This is cooked.
Just inverse that 1 minute to the downside.
Can Trump just like be like, yo, I'm firing Powell? Oh my god, it's gonna be a break even trade. So I'm gonna end the day pretty red still. All right, I'm just gonna get off here. I'm not watching this trade. I'm just gonna have my stop break even and probably get stop break even. So I'll see you guys later.
All right, man. I'll catch you later. Well, now what? I think maybe this starts to pump up at like 3, or as we come into the 250 macro. I guess we'll just have to see. Are you cooked if you took no trades? No, that's fine. I mean, obviously that benefited you today. I thought there was at least 2 A+ setups today. I took both of them and lost on one break even. Well, actually, I lost on both. Yeah. Yeah, I lost on this. I don't care about the 2-tick VI. I'll stop out on that. It's fine. I take one losing trade per session usually if the conditions are like this. I mean, just so happened that we got a losing trade on both, so it's fine. I'll take the L and I'll just come back a different day and hopefully do better. I mean, I still have, the profits from last week that were very nice and very helpful for making my December, starting off well. So Not too bad of a loss. I'm down about 2,400 today because took that on 8 accounts. So it is what it is. Honestly, reversals have been working really well for me lately. It's just these setups today didn't work. And I think the reason why is because the quality of the draw. It's just not as good as it could be. So the delivery just isn't there. And maybe also like, you know, December. December is sometimes like this. Should you close the 3-minute long? Did we did it lose? I mean, I think it lost, right? It's up to you. I would just set a stop at this low now. We shouldn't come back to that low. Should just rock it up here. Hopefully. When we get the 5-minute inverse. I don't know what this is doing, why it's playing around so long. Okay. I mean, how do you guys feel about how Dodgy managed that trade? Obviously, you know, I got in when the 30-second closed, and so I didn't go break even since I was only at 4 points. And then, I don't know. I figured, okay, I'll just stop out if price closes below, which it didn't here on this first move down, and then we come back up, back to the entry, and it comes down again, and we close below by a tick, so I'm like, okay, I guess I'll get out. That's my stop loss. And then it ran after, which was just insane to me. I can't believe we closed below by a tick and pumped all the way back up, but, you know, I guess that'll happen from time to time. Just bad delivery there, but our idea was solid, right? I mean, I said at the beginning of the day I wanted a long off previous day low. I thought that would be the high conviction funded play. We get the short beforehand, which we take on eval, and that works. Just unfortunate how that trade barely stops us out, and we go all the way back. But yeah, macro here is looking like it's about to cause price to rip to PM high at least. Tapping into that 30-minute gap. Want to see maybe this inverse by 3 o'clock. That would definitely take us to that PM high. Yeah, price just reswept out that high, so that's mechanically where you should have went break even, and then obviously it was a mechanical break even trade, but obviously, you know, if you don't want to go break even because you have conviction, then you can keep holding. Yeah, no, that makes sense. I've just never considered anything less than a 4 tick VI important, especially one on like the 30-second time frame, and it's not like it appears on any other time frame. So I just figured, okay, you know, we close below, might as well. But it's okay. I mean, what can you do? This looks primed and ready to go now, though. 41.75 is PM high. Yeah. Would you hold that long or go break even because of the volume? Which long? 5 minutes about to close above here. So get the close above on the 5 finally. Kind of a bearish reaction after sweeping out that previous high, and then no SMT, but kind of see what price wants to do here. Kind of rejecting that 30-minute gap as well. Can I map out the trend in the chart? Yeah, the idea for this long was this initial 30-second inverse here with a stop loss. Obviously, hard stop at the low, take profit at PM high. And then if we close below this gap to the left here on the 30-second, that would be the stop out. Price close below it by a tick here, and then proceed to run. And so it was this 3-candle V shape here. So really horrible reaction from taking this high. Low-key bear flag. Yeah, I don't know what that is. So every time frame has now closed above. And now it looks like the setup is like surely going to fail. Besides the 30-minute, of course. Just a horrible reaction at that high. I guess we could just chop sideways for the rest of the session, maybe. What is this red folder news tomorrow that's sensitive? The red folder news. I only see Jolts tomorrow. I don't see anything on Financial Juice. Yeah, I just have Jolts. Oh, this thing? I wouldn't worry about this. I don't know what this is. Just left equal lows now.
Dude, F this price action, bro. What is like this is horrible. We close above the 5-minute, and then we just dump straight through it. Like makes this is what OPEX does, and this is what the rest of the summer is probably gonna do. Like I low-key might just be done off my live account.
Okay.
This is literally terrible. I'm still in, but I was like, damn, I'm like, this like there's no way it's gonna be break even trade at the 5-minute close above. And of course it is. Like this is so bad.
Yeah, that was tough.
Yeah, I don't know. I guess the bias just isn't bullish and it doesn't want to trace, which is fine. But all right, well, goodbye.
See it. $3 might be the last thing here to like help this trade out. I really don't know what is causing us to just go sideways here, like Dodgy said. You've never seen me crash out once. Oh, I crashed out last week. I was upset, but not like crash out. You know what I mean? Just like, there's a lot of tough market things and then personal stuff. But yeah, no, I just try and remain chill for the most part. No, I'm the same age as Dodgy. I'm 23. We're both 23, Green Emerald. Now we have to inverse a 3-minute bearish gap after everything. It's just so over. One-minute long ain't terrible. I would look at the 3-minute here personally. I think the 3 minutes better. Maybe I'll take this on an eval and just risk my profits or something. Like, I'm just shocked that we're not even gonna get like a relief rally at the end of the day. Like nothing. Like there's nothing telling us that price wants to go up. That means lower tomorrow. I could see lower for sure. I mean, we've inversed everything to the left that kind of mattered here. We should just go down to this low now. Maybe we're kind of setting up LR here on the higher time frame, but not really. I really thought this would be low a day. I have no idea why we're coming back now. Yeah, Vert left PM. Bro, what is this doing? Can we get a move? MOC will do it? I don't think so. I don't know what's gonna do it, but it's gotta be like an exaggerated move throughout the rest of the power hour session. And like both indices have to get on board because right now they're kind of uncorrelated again. Held that 3 minute. Yeah, we just want lower maybe. Could it be the last dip before rate cut? I mean, we still have LRLR below on the higher time frame. I mean, I wouldn't say this is like LRLR, but yeah, it's turning into like decent liquidity to target. I don't know what's gonna trigger it, but yeah. I mean, this looks pretty crazy. It's just too steep. I just feel like we're due for a retracement. Like we just haven't gotten any stop runs at all today. There's so many orders left behind here. Yeah, we did invert a 4 hour, true. And the 15. And the 1. And the 30 minute. See, everything's inversed. What is the angle that we assume? It's not about an angle, it's about like the slope. Okay? The slope of the line in terms of time and price. Okay, that's what we use. What that slope is, I don't know. Yeah, on some YA equals MX plus B, exactly. With M being the slope. Like, genuinely, first time I've probably used that in my professional adult life. That is stacked liquidity, yeah, exactly. I think the slope of that line is a little too steep. The order flow switch to the downside happened on the higher time frame. Yeah, I mean, obviously we're bearish to this next low down here technically, but the idea for this afternoon was just going to be looking for lower time frame scalps, right? Like I'm certainly going to look probably bearish tomorrow. You guys have to stop equating to whether or not you're a bad trader based on P&L. If you're following your rules, if you're improving upon your psychology and your knowledge of the game, then you're being a good trader. Okay? If you're gambling and you're not, finding ways to improve and you're not respecting your rules, then you're probably not a good trader. Tapping back into this 5-minute now. Yeah, Giuliani, I mean, if you're struggling with trading right now, you don't necessarily need to take it off, but maybe just like paper if you're struggling psychologically and forward test and continue to improve on those things until you're at a point where you can go back to being unfunded. Last 3-minute held for sure. Yeah, I saw that. Maybe we come back up now. Who knows? Maybe that's what we needed to pull back for. See what happens at 3:15. Still have equal highs on the 1 minute. I don't have any equal highs on the 1 minute. I think these got swept by a tick. So don't have to worry about that. Bill Dog, it's been a while since I've seen you in here. How are you doing? Or have you just been like lurking? Plans for all-time highs? Just keep trading business as usual. Probably just take longs. Then, when I establish my rule of only taking longs for the day, break that rule when I see an A++ short set up for him and take it and then lose on it. It's like we want the highs again. Maybe. Actually, I shouldn't say that yet because we could have just been pulling back to balance like the 5 minute and then just turn right back around. But that's a good candle. Damn, we did put low of day in. I mean, based on this reaction, there's just no way we come back. We just really had bad delivery there. I'm kind of surprised. Keep blowing 8 bells by gambling, then don't gamble.
I'm still in this trade.
Interesting.
Dude, it got 1 point for my stop loss. Somehow it didn't hit.
Well,
I don't know if this hits by like 4. Dude, look how close this came. I'll show you. I literally can't. Like, that's where my stop loss is, the blue line. There's no way this doesn't hit, bro. The 5 minute, the 5 minute hasn't broken yet.
yeah.
Yeah, that's a good mindset, JD Speedy. Good shit.
That
Yeah, you
3
guys like
now.
my new. Yeah, you like my new Instagram reel? You should watch it on stream.
I can't watch it on stream, but I can pull it up on my phone. Let's see.
No.
Santa doesn't give 8+ IPG setups to naughty boys. Okay.
God, this is about to be.
Where's the one with you trying to mod?
What do you mean?
I don't know. Samook's talking about something on Reels.
What do you say?
He said bro deleted the other one with him trying to mod.
Oh, the story.
Something.
I was mogging. I just felt bad for mogging on everyone, so I deleted it.
Oh, okay.
Ooh, a girl named Kate just DM me. Can you send my Discord link, please? Respond in 30 seconds. Just Discord link sent. Perfect.
Darn. The CEO of WAP never responded to me. Wait, but WAP DM'd me. Like the WAP account DM'd me 42 minutes ago. Okay. It has to be automated, right? Yeah, the CEO obviously doesn't know me. I was trying to email him though. We're pumping. Probably need a 3-minute inverse here. All right, let me see. Yeah, no, Giuliani. I think a lot of people feel the same way. It is tough. It is really tough. You're going to be given a lot of psychological battles by NQ, and you just got to fight your way through them. Like this one. Like what was that? SMT at the high? Oh no. Not again. Yeah, ES is like completely inside now. I don't know. Dude, I bet you this goes at 3:30. Maybe that's what we're waiting for. 3:30 tends to be when we accelerate. I don't know why. A little bit smooth, but it's okay. We waiting for 326 macro? I could see it. Todd macro was only from 50 to 10:10. For PM, it's 3:15 to 3:45. Green Emerald. It's the only time it changes. Otherwise, yeah, it's 50 to 10. The last hourly candle is seen as like the end of day macro, and it kicks in at 3:15. Yeah, and then there's MOC from 3:50 to 4 o'clock, and that's also kind of a macro, but not really, because the characteristic of a macro is that it's going to deliver us somewhere, and MOC doesn't have to do that. MOC can just kind of do whatever. No, that's not accurate. It's only 250 to 3, not 310. But everything else looks accurate, yeah. Except for also 850 to 910 really isn't a macro either, but it's fine. ICT sweet spot 315 to 345. What would you say was the best setup today? Honestly, I like the 30-second long EJ. I really liked that, but I don't know. All right, Madge, we'll catch you tomorrow. It's just tough. No News Monday is so hit or miss. But yeah, we haven't formed like a good fair value gap where we haven't been like chopping around on the 5-minute since 155. So this day was just cooked from the start. Widow Smoot. Yeah, that looks good. What actually no 110 to 140, that's not a macro. I guess it just kind of depends. I mean I feel like the only macro that really matters in PM is 150 to 210. Because it's like the 4-hour close plus open. Most of the time you're just kind of playing whatever price action gives you at that moment. Oh, actually 250 can matter too. 250 to 3 is sometimes good. Bro, is this finally gonna go? Like, what is this waiting for, bro? Just take us up to PM high. I know that's what it wants. Why did price stop at 622? What? Oh, I don't know. It just stopped there. It's a super reaction of this high, so because we couldn't close above it, we reversed. And that was the wick that was left. I think it's because of the reaction mostly, Speedy. Yeah, sure, Clandestine. Where's PMI? PMI is up here at 642. It's also an unfilled 15-minute. If you're going to talk about the 1-minute 1057 trade, that was my first loss of the day. I took that. And then my second loss of the day was the 30-second here. Is this even a good draw? It's like a tier 5 draw. It's not like the first 4. Like it's not LRLR, Equal Highs, Data Wicks. But it's like middle of the pack. It's not bad. Yeah, I took that. Don't worry about it. If you took that, that was a good loss. The only problem was the 30-second never closed above there, but genuinely with that much momentum, it really shouldn't matter. All right, here comes 330. ES and NQ are still super uncorrelated. Come on, 25 points to the high. By the way, I think I figured out my accounting situation. I ended up switching a couple things, and yeah, this is actually way more complicated than I thought it was. It's not just, by the way, I like now have like a team. I don't just have the one guy. There's like at least 4 people I've spoken to, and my intention is to speak with also a 5th guy, and now they're all working for me. I think I'm gonna save some, Samuk. Why? Because this CPA that I talked to has connections with a bunch of people all over the industry, and with these connections, we're gonna fight the IRS using the tax code. That's about it. Basically, the reason why is because I had to get payroll transferred and 401k transferred and a bunch of stuff transferred. So, yeah, that's why it took like a whole team of people. That and I talked with a financial advisor too, but I'm not gonna go with him. His management fee is way too high. His management fee is way too high. He wanted too much. He wanted to charge like a baseline fee. I forget what the amount was. It was like a couple $100 or something. And then he wanted to charge 1%, which is just insane. 1% is way too high. And he tried to like downsell it like it wasn't insane. He was like, "Yeah, normally I charge like 1.2, but for you I can do 1." It's like, "Okay, buddy. Yeah, I know what you are." But yeah, I just don't see the point. 1% over the course of like an entire 40 years would be like hundreds of thousands of dollars. It's just like, I'm good. And also, I'd rather be hands on with my money. I just need somebody to explain a couple different tax strategies to me. And really, all that I need for that is like ChatGPT. Like everything that I spoke with the person at ADP today about, like, was straight from ChatGPT, and I sounded hella knowledgeable. Is like every single thing that I brought up, they also like spat back at me and were like giving me the correct information and the correct numbers that I pulled from there. So I don't know. It sounds like basically all I need them for is to just make sure that I'm procedurally following things and doing the correct paperwork. But I mean, as far as curating tech strategy or figuring out what the best way to go about things is, I can pretty much handle that myself. Yeah, probably Tommy. It's not just that though, Fahrenheit. Like, yeah, like for the tax part, that's fine. But it's like I've never. This is the second time I've ever had to like deal with like 401k stuff and like setting that all up, and that was. It's more complicated setting it up for your business than just setting it up for yourself, if that makes sense, through your company. There's like a lot of filing that has to happen. Like I learned that they're gonna charge me a shit ton of money to do this. By the way, it's like for the 401 for setting up a 401k for a small business. ADP wanted to charge me, I think it was $250 a month. Okay, but the thing is, you get all that money back through tax credits. For your business through someone else's business, paid by a company who distributes everyone's payments. Yeah, exactly. Bro, what is this doing? We inversed everything. Why is this coming back? What's even the point of inverses? Why would this even come back? We took care of everything. We had good momentum. We had 330. Why would this even come back? We're just literally going sideways. Okay, I guess we save it for MOC if we're even going to do it. I doubt we'll do it at this point. Well, 1 minute long here with the SMT. What do we think about this? Send it to the relative equal highs. Guys, my connect at like CME must have gotten sniped or something, because like he told me he was gonna fix things last week, and we're still getting this kind of price action. So he must have been, you know, caught. It's only a matter of time for me. You had a dream about that data high play on Friday? That's good. Call Trump. Bro, he's gonna see that my dad was a naturalized citizen, and he's gonna see my last name and probably deport me. Wait, 1 minute here? Come on. Please. PM session for Mexico? Dude, I would be so down. I want to go back. Funded? No, obviously this isn't a funded play. We're done. This is cooked. This probably fails instantly, actually. I mean, that's just kind of been the trend for today. It'll fail instantly, stop everyone out, and then work. And yeah, I have no idea why we're accumulating, because we already kind of accumulated like all day. So we should have manipulated down, grabbed previous day low, and then distributed up. And we're just still accumulating. Okay, it held. It's actually going to be a green candle close. Maybe. But probably not. There's just no momentum here. Can I do the Mexican whistle? No, I can't, but my dad can. Actually. Like the thing in mariachi? Like that thing? Does my dad drink? Yeah, he drinks. He smokes cigars too. Do I speak Spanish? No. What was the word for Wordle? Oh, it was gravy. Not like in here. Let me see. What are we talking about? Alright, video has no sound.
Hola, hola. Hola. ¿Pan dónde una troca negra? una más pequeño señorita, malo hombre, malo hombre.
Pasó para allá.
Para allá, no para allá.
Para allá, para la derecha.
Gracias.
Yeah, I don't know what that is, bro. That's not what I'm talking about.
There's
What the hell was that, Tommy? Do you guys think this goes up in the next 20 minutes before the end of the day? By the way, today is our short week. We do not have a PM stream on Friday. Who's gonna start talking like this? Oh. Bro, I have no idea. That was funny. My gosh. Wait, you guys didn't like Vert? Crazy. Or are you guys just trolling? He was a BB. True. One minute working? Yeah, it actually worked. I can't believe it. The one setup, I was like, yeah, this one's gonna lose for sure. Of course, it's the one that works off the SMT. Interesting, Fahrenheit. Okay. The 1 minute? Nah, honestly, like, this is just bad price condition. I'm surprised it worked to where it has. It hasn't even hit the break even yet, though. Maybe now, though. Last 15-minute candle close. It's a decent candle, I guess. For sure, Tommy. Yeah, so I don't know. Dude, 350. Come on. Do something. Dude, Adam Thielen retired, I thought. Oh no. He left the Vikings to transfer to a more competitive team, right? For his last season. Steelers, I think. Bro, of course it would be a team that's in the Lions schedule. Can I give you the homies tag? Bro, I don't even have the homies tag. Well, 350 it is. Who do I have winning the World Cup? Mexico. Every year, it's always Mexico. I remember watching the last one in my college apartment. Now, let's be realistic. Mexico. Come on, man. We got this. Who's their goalie? Is what's his name still there? God, I don't know anything about soccer, I'll be honest. Football. Okay, realistically, what is it going to be, like France or Germany or Spain or something? Colombia maybe. Portugal. No, it's not going to be Portugal. It's going to be Argentina or Brazil or France. Yeah. I don't know. All right, here's 350. Time to dump. Here it is. Oh, wait. Maybe not. My goodness, are we actually going to pump for 350? Are we actually going to do it? No shot. SMT at the high. Bro, there's just not enough volume in this for us to really get moving. We gotta see a pretty big candle here. Wow. Well, 350 is probably gonna do nothing. Oh, it did it. Okay, we broke the high. Maybe we will go for PM high after all. Probably Spain gonna win? Okay, sure. Should have watched paint dry instead. Yeah, that might have been more productive than this session. I'll make sure to post in the trade recap the trade that I lost on today. Did I have one good take about soccer at all there? Did Mexico even make it into the World Cup? Yeah, they did. Oh yeah, that's right, they are a host, huh? That makes sense. Dude, it's gotta be Mexico then. Have you seen how some of these Japanese kids move now? Like, playing soccer? Or Chinese kids? Dude, they're kind of crazy. They're really good. Yeah, actually, Japan is they're kind of yoked. Thank God for genetics, or like Japan would be like actually probably one of the best teams. That had massive racial undertones. Oh, because I mentioned two Asian countries. I mean, yeah, anytime we talk about like athletics on the global stage, we compare ourselves to Asia, I feel like. Same thing with like economics, I don't know. It's just like normally you don't expect a lot from Asian countries because genetically, like on average, they are I guess smaller, right? And so like you see these people that are typically smaller doing crazy things, it's like, oh my gosh. Like, that's like, I don't know, pretty big feat. Right? I don't know, maybe it's just racism. So we're going south. What? I'm digging a bigger hole for myself. I didn't think that was that bad. What did I say that was bad then? All right, we're coming back up now. Let's see. Can 350 do it? Okay. uh, Ichiro Suzuki. What about him? Dude, nah. I'll get a clip. I'll get a clip at Christmas time when my dad is fucking sauced doing the like he can do this. What's it called? Why can't I think of it? What is I just can't said the word earlier, the Mexican band. Why can't I think of it? Mariachi scream. Yeah, this, the grito. He can do that, like, really good. Yeah, it's just my dad's side. My mom's white. Well, today's over. 15-second V-shape? Okay, everyone, full port. Full port PMI here. Wait, why does that 15-second actually look so good, though? By the way, that was a joke, obviously. Dude, that's what WAP sent to me. Oh no, yeah, no. Obviously, I'm not saying that clandestine that like they wouldn't be able to do it. I just think it's almost more impressive. Also, I learned that babies that are born in November are 10% more athletic genetically than babies born in June. Because of something that happens in like the second trimester. Like exposure to like more vitamin D makes you more athletic throughout your life. So because November babies had a lot of exposure to vitamin D in the second trimester, they are more athletic throughout their life. Also, there's PM high. Damn. Wow, that 15-second actually cooked. Dude, I knew it. I knew we were due for a pullback, man. Oh my gosh. Like I'm just right, but like I'm early. Look at that. Wow. So obvious. Wow. All right, well, that's going to be it for me, guys. I hope you have a great rest of your evening. I will talk to you all tomorrow. Peace out, everyone.